Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to pin to quick access on SharePoint. Let's get straight into it. I'm working in a web browser here. First, open your web browser and navigate to the SharePoint site that contains the document library you want to pin. Once the site loads, you'll see the homepage with your available libraries and content. Now, click on the document library you want to pin. This is usually called Documents, but it might have a custom name depending on your site. You'll find it in the left sidebar on Team Sites or in the main content area. Click on that library name now. The library opens and you'll see your list of files and folders with the command bar at the top. Make sure you're looking at the library itself, not a folder inside it. You can only pin entire libraries, not individual folders. Look for the Pin to Quick Access button in the command bar at the top of the page. If it's not immediately visible there, click the three dots button, the ellipses in the command bar to reveal the extended menu. The Pin to Quick Access option will be in one of those two locations. Once you've found it, click the Pin to Quick Access button now. You'll get a confirmation message at the bottom of the page letting you know it's been pinned. That's it, the action completes immediately. Your pinned library now appears in the Quick Access section on OneDrive Web. To get to it, open OneDrive in your browser and look in the left navigation panel for Quick Access. Your SharePoint library will be listed there at the top, along with any other libraries you've pinned. The newest pin always appears at the top of the list. This also shows up in the Save As panel when you're working in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, so you can quickly save files directly to that library without navigating through your full SharePoint site structure. If you ever want to unpin the library, just go to OneDrive Online, find it in the Quick Access section, and you can remove it from there. One quick note, if the Pin to Quick Access button doesn't appear at all, check that you have edit permissions on the library and that your account has OneDrive rights included in your license. Without those, the option won't be available. And there we go, pinning to quick access done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.